What's up, cleaners? Reuben with BookCleaningJobs here. And I've been noticing more and more marketers targeting the cleaning community and carpet cleaners especially. And there's always a lot of marketers coming after cleaners and trying to get you guys to sign up for different things. I'm one of those marketers, right? I run BookCleaningJobs. And so it's funny that I'm making a video about this, but I've noticed more and more companies getting into marketing for home services companies and especially cleaning companies. I wanted to talk a little bit about why that is, maybe some things that you should be aware of and maybe looking out for if you're thinking about working with one of these marketers, just because I think this might be helpful. A lot of you don't have the context that I have. I've been in the carpet cleaning industry for 10 years. Sure, I had a carpet cleaning business of my own. I started it from zero. I sold it 5 years later. I've got all that experience, definitely. And I also run BookCleaningJobs, which is a marketing company that helps a ton of carpet cleaners across the United States. But before I ever even got into the carpet cleaning world, I was a marketer. I was a digital marketer for 20 years. I've had a bunch of companies online. I've run marketing agencies before. I've helped run my friends' marketing agencies. I've run ads for so many different companies, major brands, a couple Fortune 500 companies. So I have a ton of experience in this digital marketing world. I'm also friends with a ton of other digital marketers. I'm in a mastermind group with about 100 7 and 8 figure entrepreneurs. Most of them are digital marketing entrepreneurs. They start businesses online and then drive traffic to them with Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO, all those things that you guys are interested in doing for your cleaning business. These days, a lot of people who are in the digital marketing world are trying to get into marketing for home services companies because there's been a huge explosion in the number of home services companies that people are starting. Home services got really hot over the last couple of years. A lot of people have walked away from corporate jobs or have just decided to pursue a blue collar business rather than sitting in the corporate world and earning a salary that way. A lot of people are jumping into home services. There's also a lot of talk about the, what do they call it? The silver tsunami, right? All of these boomers and other business owners who are older, they're wanting to retire. They're wanting to get out of their blue collar businesses and their kids don't want anything to do with the business. So there's a bunch of people looking to swoop in and buy up blue collar companies, home service companies. Not a lot of carpet cleaning companies getting bought up during all of this, but a lot of HVAC companies, plumbing companies, roofers, those types of things. And some of this spills over to the cleaning industry. People get interested in all of the growth that's happening in home services. They get excited about it. And then once there's a bunch of new home service companies and people buying home service companies, the next thing that those companies need is marketing, which creates a huge opportunity for people like me to come in and offer marketing for cleaning companies. I actually sold my carpet cleaning business 5 years ago. And one of the main reasons I did that is because I was already working with dozens of carpet cleaners and doing their marketing. I was making a lot more money personally from that than I was from my carpet cleaning business. My carpet cleaning business was great. It was turnkey. I had employees out doing everything, but I wasn't taking home a ton of profit for myself because my business was being managed by other people. I saw it more as an investment. And I started doing marketing on the side for other cleaners, and it grew into a big business really quickly. I actually ended up selling my carpet cleaning business and going into this full time. There are other cleaners doing the exact same thing. And that's something that you need to be aware of and potentially look out for. Because what happens a lot of times is people like me will start a carpet cleaning business and have some success with it. And the next thing that they'll do is they'll say, man, I've got this system figured out. I know how to grow a carpet cleaning business because look, I did it for myself. So I could probably do this for other people. And whether they start a coaching program or a Facebook group or a marketing agency or start running ads for cleaners or whatever they do, that next step for them is, okay, let's figure out if I can make this repeatable and do the same thing for other cleaners. And they go out and start trying to do this for other cleaners. The mistake that happens a lot of times, though, is some of these folks that go out and position themselves as marketers and say, look, I owned a cleaning business. I've done this before. And now I can do it for you. They haven't successfully done it for a bunch of other cleaning companies. Maybe they didn't even really successfully do it for their own cleaning company, right? Maybe their own cleaning company is not all that successful. They're not even booking a full schedule. Maybe they haven't even hired anybody yet. They're still an owner operator, and then they're pitching you on their services that they're a marketer as well. These are things to be aware of. A lot of people find success with their carpet cleaning business, and then they turn around and they start trying to sell that success to other people. And that's why there's people like me catching all kinds of flack from carpet cleaners saying, oh yeah, you're only selling this course because you weren't successful in the carpet cleaning business, or you're only a guru because you're not making any money with your carpet cleaning business. Those kind of comments, I'm not the only person who gets them. I see all the other influencers in the carpet cleaning world and the cleaning business. All of them get those same comments from people. And I understand where they come from because there are a lot of people out there that position themselves as experts, offer to run your ads or set up your website or do your SEO or coach you on your business. And ultimately, they can't bring you any results. Ultimately, they're unsuccessful helping you be as successful as maybe they were. And that sucks. It creates a lot of skepticism in this industry. And the thing is, there's more and more people jumping in and offering these services for cleaners now. And you need to be extra cautious about who you work with. You should be asking people about their track record. Have they worked with many other cleaning companies before? Is their system actually repeatable and proven, or are they just testing it using your money and trying to learn on your dime? Because that happens a lot. So be aware of those things. You feel free to ask me questions, by the way. If you're considering book cleaning jobs and you're not sure about us, you can ask me about our experience. You can ask my team about our experience. We can show you case studies. We can show you hard numbers. We can point you to clients who are making money with our system right now. We truly have a repeatable system. A lot of people out there who are pitching marketing services to cleaners, though, they are trying to figure it out on your dime. And so that's something I wanted to make you aware of. On Facebook just today, I was scrolling my Facebook feed. I've seen 3 new companies running ads on Facebook today for carpet cleaners. People offering to get you more leads, get you an automated system that's going to bring you more customers. And half the time it seems like, oh, this is going to be inexpensive, low risk, it's going to work out. Nothing works out, right? I hear the same story from cleaners over and over. I bought into this system, it didn't work. I bought into this system, it didn't work. This one seemed like a good deal, I got scammed. You know, the hard truth is that if you really want to get results, a lot of times it costs a lot of money. And so if you're not prepared to invest $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month or more, then you're going to be stuck choosing from all these little rinky dink $100 a month systems and $200 a month coaching clubs and that kind of stuff. And some of them might be good, right? But there's a lot of others out there that are not worth your money and not worth your time. And the people who are teaching you don't have the experience or the results to be teaching you. So just be aware of that. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you have any criticisms, you can leave those in the comments too. But I just wanted to talk about this with you guys because it's something I see happening a lot in the carpet cleaning industry. And I know people who are running cleaning businesses don't have all the experience that I have, right? I have 20 years of digital marketing background. I bought my first house when I was 21 in college, all from money that I made with websites, right? I've been doing this for a really long time before I ever even thought of getting into the carpet cleaning business. I'll be honest with you. You know why I got into the carpet cleaning business? Because I had all of that digital marketing experience. My whole plan from the beginning was to buy a franchise, use my digital marketing experience to, come in town and just clean up, right? To just dominate all of my competitors because I know a lot more than them. And that's exactly what I did. It was like taking candy from a baby, to be honest with you. But that's what happens when you have that much experience with marketing and business. And a lot of other people out there, maybe your competitors are the same. Maybe they have a lot more business experience, a lot more marketing experience. And maybe this is your first business. Maybe you're trying to figure out the cleaning business and just business in general. Save yourself a lot of time. Don't spend a bunch of money on marketing systems that are unproven, on marketers that don't have any experience with carpet cleaners or with house cleaners or whatever kind of cleaning business you own. Try to work with the best. And if you can't afford to work with the best yet, save your money and try to make some more money in your business and try to bootstrap it. There's other free resources out there. Check YouTube. Facebook groups are full of good stuff. Careful on Facebook groups too, though, because a lot of people out there are making like $5,000 a month with their carpet cleaning business and talking like they make $1 million a year with their carpet cleaning business. Be careful who you take advice from. But there's people out there that do have great advice to offer. You just have to seek them out and you have to be careful about who you listen to and make sure you check credentials and that kind of stuff. So anyway, hit like if this was helpful. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions or whatever. I'm Reuben with BookCleaningJobs. I'll talk with you later.